Greg Marchand here. Let's talk about increasing prices. Now, we talked earlier about increasing your labor rate twice a year. What I mean by increasing prices here is with an auto repair shop, especially today, right? It's 2023 as I record this. Things get expensive. And sometimes what I see erode profits is the fact that we didn't pay attention to our parts matrix, in other words, our parts markups, and we didn't pay attention to those canned jobs that we created in the system 5 years ago and then just set it and forget it and walked away from it. And now all of a sudden parts profit is starting to drop, and maybe overall profit, it used to be 62%, we're trying to hit 65%, now all of a sudden it's 60% or 59%. Well, where is it going? And so I want you to at least quarterly, all right, at least 4 times a year, check your parts matrix, make sure you're comfortable with those markups, that you believe that that's where those markups should be. If you want help with that, reach out to me. Find me on social media here, all right? And don't forget to subscribe and like us on social media, please. So check your parts matrix and check your canned jobs and make sure those prices are where they should be, okay? Doing this quarterly helps keep the reins on your business and keeps prices where they should be. Sometimes you got to drop them, but a lot of times you got to increase them to stay competitive. All right? So go check your parts matrix and go check your can jobs and do so quarterly. Put it on your calendar.